Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you trying to create high-quality content but struggling to set the perfect resolution for standard widescreen video formats? Today, I'm showing you the hidden settings adjustment to format your project canvas for YouTube flawlessly in seconds. Step 1. Launch the app. First, launch the Camtasia software on your desktop to access your active video editing dashboard. Step 2. Isolate the footage. Navigate to your loaded media bin and click on the specific video asset you want to resize. Step 3. Timeline placement hack. Long press your chosen video file and drag it smoothly down onto the Track 1 timeline lane. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Access Dimension Tool. Navigate to the top toolbar of the editing interface and click on the Canvas Percentage drop-down option. Step 5. Launch Project Menu. Select Project Settings from the menu list to open the Core Configuration Control window. Step 6. Open Canvas Presets. Click on the Canvas Dimensions drop-down to reveal the platform-specific resolution templates. Step 7. Choose Widescreen Aspect. Select the 1080p FHD 1920x1080 layout preset optimized explicitly for standard widescreen desktop displays. Step 8. Finalize the layout. Hit Apply to lock in your settings and instantly begin editing your long-form YouTube videos smoothly. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.